Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and enabling any developer or experimental options. This grants access to theme or UI tweaks. Once done, export or copy existing settings and extensions so you can revert if needed. Next, decide exactly which Google surface you will change, Search, Gmail, or Chrome browser theme, because each has different tools. Make sure to note current versions and extensions. These details determine compatibility with custom CSS, scripts, or theme packages you'll apply in the next steps. You now implement the chosen customization method. Install a Chrome theme, inject user CSS, or use an extension like TamperMonkey for script-based changes. Open DevTools and target the specific selectors to change colors, spacing, and fonts. This lets you test live without committing. Once a tweak looks right, copy the CSS or script into the extension or theme manifest and apply it. Make sure to test across different device sizes and browser profiles, because Google's responsive layout can shift selectors or override styles unexpectedly. To finish, package your edits into a persistent theme or save them inside an extension so changes survive restarts and updates. Once applied, clear the browser cache and test in incognito to rule out conflicts. If the design reverts, disable other extensions one by one to find the culprit. If Google updates break selectors, refer to your backups and documentation and adjust CSS or scripts accordingly. One key troubleshooting tip: if things fail, revert to your exported settings, then reapply changes incrementally to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.